I have the bed frame all installed and I really like it. It is super sturdy. Feels great to sleep on. I've been sleeping on it for about a week. You can see the front board is nice and thick. This nice velvet, very nice to touch. Chrome feet, and that runs all the way down the side. Some other things I like about it. I like the push pins. The headboard is taller than normal, which is nice. It sits up really tall and it sits out further as well, which gives it a nice wide and tall appearance. I also like that the bottom headboard, there's no gaps here, as you can see. Has this piece here. Some of the other ones where you can't really see it, it's just air and you lose stuff or pillows kind of slide down. So it's definitely a lot nicer having the two-piece upper and lower headboard. Really comfortable, nice fabric, and great support. Has a steel frame with wood slats, and really easy to put together. I also put an install video out on this as well, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.